Our kahiko presentation is a special presentation for us and those who are close to the halau and know the halau, because this was the first presentation done for competition back in 1979 when the halau was Navai e Ha'opuna. And this is a creation of O'Brien Eselu and Thaddeus Wilson. And it was a complete presentation in terms of ka'i, mele, ho'i. And the interesting thing about this presentation was that the ka'i didn't have an accompanying chant. It was only ipuheke beats. And it went right into the mele. And the ho'i was written by one of the first halau boys and given to the halau as a gift. So this presentation is a special presentation for us, and we like to honor our kumu, our source, and all of those who came before us with this presentation.